Nano Banana Pro by Google x Higgsfield is officially live, and it is a massive leap forward in AI image generation. If you've been waiting for clean 4K visuals, real reasoning accuracy, and text that finally looks right, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Before I show you exactly how to start creating all these cool visuals, let's quickly break down why Nano Banana Pro is such a big deal, what's new, and who can benefit the most from it. Stay with me until the end. This video could genuinely change the way you create. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Muvumbi. Please subscribe. Let's dive in.
So what actually makes Nano Banana Pro special? This is a focused upgrade over the first version, but the improvements are huge. You get 4K image quality, Gemini-powered reasoning, stronger text generation across multiple languages, and way more stable faces and identity control. In short, this is a next-gen image engine that produces clean, production-ready visuals with far fewer retries. Let me quickly show you what's new in Nano Banana Pro. 4K image quality. You can generate at 1K, 2K, and full 4K, or upscale older, lower-res images to super crisp 4K. Text that finally reads correctly. Headlines, packaging labels, UI text, everything stays sharp, stable, and legible. Visual reasoning, Gemini Model 3. It actually thinks before generating, so it handles equations, counts objects, follows diagrams, and understands complex layouts. Stronger faces and identity control. You can keep characters consistent across poses, expressions, and outfits. Data-aware images. Perfect for infographics, dashboards, and whiteboards where numbers, spacing, and structure need to make sense. Best-in-class prompt following. Colors, layout, objects, typography, it sticks to your instructions, so you don't have to waste time regenerating. Nano Banana Pro is ideal for professional digital artists creating production-ready assets, performance marketers making ads with lots of text, brand and packaging designers who need accurate labels and layouts, thumbnail or poster artists who need stable characters, educators and explainer creators who use diagrams or equations, product and UX teams prototyping screens with readable UI copy, agencies that write precise prompts and want predictable results. All right, let me show you how to get started. I made this really simple for you. Just click the link in the description below to get access.
Okay, so here I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do this. So come here. This is going to be your Higgsfield AI. Once you're here, come here, explore. You can click here, direct unlimited 4K Nano Banana Pro. You can click here, or you can come here. Here you see image. Come here, Nano Banana Pro. Click this one here. Now here, that's where the magic happens, right? So here we can choose, here we can put our prompt, what you want to create. So you can create anything you want here. And here, you already choose, you can choose, we're going to talk about this Nano Banana Pro. So you click this one here. Here, you're going to choose aspect ratio, which one you want, 16:9. 9:16. So all this is up to you. So in this video I'm going to choose 16:9, and here you can choose the quality you want, 1K, 2K, or 4K. So, and here unlimited, you can choose, you can put it on. By the way, they are promoting this. If you subscribe before the 24th of November, you're going to have unlimited Nano Banana for a year. Okay, so grab this opportunity. Now come here. Here we're going to put our prompt. So I already created a prompt from ChatGPT. So here I'm going to paste my prompt here. What I want to create is Dwayne The Rock Johnson and Kevin Hart. They're standing at a lively outdoor American barbecue stand. They're eating ribs and cornbread. So I want to create this image. So I'm coming here. Now I'm coming here. You see here, I'm clicking here, and it's going to start to create my image. So this is my image here. So let's give a few minutes. I'm going to show you how this image turns out. Let me show you here. Look how nice he is. That is Dwayne Johnson, and this is Kevin. They look very nice. So here, this is our prompt here. When we come down here, the image, you can animate this. You can create it as a video. You can make a video. You can make them speak. You can come here. You can edit in Canva. You can delete this image if you don't want this image. You can download this image. You can favorite this. You can add in your favorite, or you can publish this image, right? So in this video, and here instruction as well, if there's anything you don't want here, you want to change, you can come here and add a prompt, and you can change. Like, let's say you don't want this background, you want the people background here, you can change this, and you can write a prompt here, and you can click, and it's going to change everything you want. Okay, and you can even edit your prompt. You can add something else. If you want to add something else, if you want to take something off, you can do this exactly the same.
Just look at this image right here. Nano Banana Pro absolutely nails the details. The lighting, the expressions, the atmosphere. You can actually feel the energy of The Rock and Kevin Hart at that barbecue stand. The smoke, the people in the background, the summer festival vibe, everything looks crisp in full 4K. This is why you need to jump on Nano Banana Pro. It gives you studio quality visuals, realistic faces, and perfect scene consistency without spending hours editing or regenerating. If you want visuals that instantly elevate your content, this tool is a must.
We're going to do another one. Let me show you another one here. So come back here to explore, and we're going to, you can come here, Nano Banana Pro, click this one here, come here, same place. Let's put a prompt this time. I'm going to put a prompt. I want Bunny Boy and Twina Savage sitting together at a wooden table on a busy Lagos street eating suya and jollof rice. So here you can come here. Nano Banana we choose here. Aspect ratio is 16:9. Choose the quality you want, unlimited, and click here. It's going to create image for us. So let's give few minutes here. This one here is going to create, and I'm going to show you the result. It's very nice.
Now look at this image. Nano Banana Pro delivers incredible detail. Burna Boy and Tiwa Savage look completely natural, sitting at that wooden table on a busy Lagos street. The warm evening light, the colorful signboards, the smoke rising from the grills, the people walking behind them, everything comes together beautifully in clean 4K realism. This is exactly why you should try Nano Banana Pro. It gives you true-to-life scenes, stable characters, and vibrant cultural environments without any extra editing. If you want visuals that look authentic and professionally crafted, this tool is unmatched.
And here's something important. For anyone who subscribes through Monday, November 24th, Higgsfield is giving unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for an entire year. If you've ever wanted pro-level image quality at the lowest cost, this is the time. And as you can see from the comparison graphic, Higgsfield currently has the lowest prices on the market for this level of image quality and reasoning.
That's Nano Banana Pro, Google X Higgsfield's newest 4K reasoning-powered image engine. If you want clean visuals, perfect text, and smarter generations, definitely try this out. Links are below. Enjoy creating. Thank you for watching.